Bread in a jar with no flour at all. This is my grandma's recipe, and the way it's baked is truly surprising. Start with farmer's cheese. Add about 18 ounces to a bowl. It keeps the bread moist and filling. The next ingredient is oats. Add about 10.5 ounces. They're a great source of fiber and long-lasting energy. Then add around 1.5 ounces of ground flaxseed. It not only helps bind the ingredients, but also provides omega-3s and supports digestion. Toss in some pumpkin seeds. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder for fluffiness and 1 tablespoon of salt to bring out the flavor. Crack in 3 large eggs. They give the dough structure and help hold everything together. Blend everything thoroughly with a hand blender until the mixture is fairly smooth and compact. Spread the dough on a baking mat, shape it into a loaf, and transfer it into a jar. Bake the bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. When it's done, the crust will be golden and perfectly crisp. Once cooled, store the bread in the jar to keep it fresh for longer. After this, you'll never want to eat any other bread again.